Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Eric Crochet, and this video is going to be a little bit different than usual. Today, I'm going to be creating my virtual vision board. And so, yeah, I wanted to bring y'all along with me, and so I wanted to show y'all how I did that. So we'll be trying to do a little bit of different snapshots and things from my computer to me to whatever. Just going through this process with me, and I wanted to carry y'all along as we build the Eric Crochet brand. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up because you want to stay tuned to what I have coming. But let's get right on into it. So first off, I'm going to get on Canva. So I'm going to go to Canva. I have a pro subscription to Canva, by the way. So some of the features, most of the features I'm going to use are going to be for free because I made this last year when I wasn't using the pro features of Canva. But now I'm going to use them. So I'm going to look up desktop wallpaper. That's what I'm going to look up, those dimensions, and I'm going to find the blank one. Use the create blank. So now it'll be big enough so I can put them on my computer screen, and then because I have the pro version, I can shrink it down to be as big for my phone screen and everything. So perfect. And next I'm going to open up Pinterest. A girl's best friend. So when creating business goals, you want to make sure that you're being specific and that you are giving yourself goals that are actually attainable. So yes, I have a goal to make $1 million in my business. And I'm not going to give myself to just 2021 to do that. I'm going to come up with a more attainable goal. So here's a pro tip. When you're creating your business goals, make sure that they are time specific. So since your business works in quarters, what better way than to make your goals work in quarters as well? So let's get some Q1 through Q4 goals. So maybe Q1 goal may be for you to make $10,000 with your business. And that'll be in the first step to your $1 million plan, right? So let's see, what can we look up on Pinterest? Let's search something. Let's see, Black entrepreneur. Ooh, Black entrepreneur women, perfect. Okay, let's see, what do we like here? We're scrolling. I'm not getting vibes. Okay, Black business woman aesthetic, okay. Pinterest hint. If you ever are struggling with what to look for on Pinterest, just type in aesthetic after. Ooh, in charge. Ooh, invest in yourself. Minding my Black-owned business. Actually, okay, I want to write that down as a quote. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm just going to do add a subheading and add that on here. Minding my Black. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm going to put some music on and I'm going to start creating, and I'll be back to give y'all another tip in just a second. So if your goals are to grow on Instagram, here's a hint. Take a screenshot of your profile and then add in a white box over your current follower count or whatever you're looking to grow, right? And add that number that you're hoping to reach. But make sure that you're being intentional this year on how you're going to reach that number, because followers don't increase your money. Your connection with your followers do. So here's a tip. If you are working on your vision board and you want to glean it more business, don't forget to sprinkle just a tad bit of personal or a tad bit of you into your vision board. Even if you do have a personal vision board, because your business and your goals for your business somewhat should evolve around you. With me is travel. Comment down below and let me know what's yours. What would your business allow you to do in your personal life? Also, something that may help is if you want to keep your vision board and have it like real aesthetic looking, use your brand colors. And that's great when you're coming up with your business goals, because then you can place it in your office, you can put it on your computer screen and everything, and it'll still be so on brand. And so now you're forced to look at it. Pro tip, don't be afraid to break your vision board down into sections. So whether that's like the top left is business goals, the bottom right are client goals, and the middle is personal, like whatever. Make sure that you're having goals that fit all those different sectors that you need. And also when it comes to your vision board, it's yours. So if you want to split those goals up instead of making like an abstract thing like I'm doing, then make sure that you do that. It is 100% okay.
We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah.
Okay, I'm adding better days are coming because 2020 was rough for me, emotionally and everything. So I'm gonna add that, and I don't know, maybe y'all can see the reoccurring theme. I'm adding a lot of like mindset stuff because that's what's really my big shift this year is having a better mindset. I feel like 2020 was definitely a challenge on my mindset and where I was, and so I want to make sure that I am focusing on having a better mindset. My vision board is very quote heavy, but they're quotes that mean something to me. It's something that when I look at them, it's like, okay, come on, Erica, let's get back to work. And then my pictures, I know what they represent for me. So like, for instance, the computer, although like somebody looking at that, they might not get it. It's for me that I want to have my website launched this year because I thought I was going to have it done last year and it just didn't happen. And I've been working on building it myself. Multiple streams, that's multiple streams of income for me. I want to create a couple of different passive income streams and I want to actually work on them and have them be like great generating profits. The little plant with the heart with the money dollar sign in it, it represents me growing my savings. I've been really big, and all my friends will tell you that I am super big on having the savings and growing your savings, and so the plant represents me growing my savings. So it's like all of them are really specific, and I have like the bedroom down there in the corner, and that's because and I have the savings plant next to it because I want to save for a home. So my goal is in 2022 or to purchase a home maybe. So that's a big deal for me, and that to save that. I have a little screenshot from my Instagram and has 10,000 followers. I would love to hit 10,000 followers in 2021. It's not a big thing to me. I don't have to hit it because I just want to impact people. But it would be really cool so I can get swipe up. That we all want swipe up, but yeah, I think that would be dope. So that's a number specific one where it's like I want to do that, and I have it broken down into quarters on my Notion. I love Notion, y'all, but I have it broken down into quarters on my Notion of like how I want to do that and my plans to do that, and maybe I'll tell a little bit more in my Instagram strategy video. So I have a picture of me because that was a picture from my first branded photo shoot for my actual brand, Air Crochet. So I was like that I didn't take myself or have a friend help me with. So it was like really exciting, and I want to do more of that, and I want to work, and it just represents like branding for me. I want to work with more brands. I want to develop my brand. So I'm just excited for that. I changed my YouTube play button from red to blue so it could be more aesthetically pleasing. But yeah, so this is my vision board. I really wanted to call out, like, I pulled the quote, "Leave your mark," from Instagram earlier, and I did the lips or whatever because before the panorama, I was a lipstick queen. I love lipstick, but I really love the idea of leaving your mark. And so that's what I really want to do. I want to encourage people, because my whole reason on being on this platform, my whole reason about my brand and things are to help small creators understand their influence and understand that no matter their size, that they can have a huge impact. And so that was really important to me, to make sure that I was not only leaving my mark, but empowering people to leave theirs. And so, yeah, that's my vision board. I hope y'all like it. Again, if y'all do y'all's, let me see. Vision boards can be so helpful in so many ways. Not only are they something pretty to look at if you do it, and not only is it a way to get your creativity out, but it's a way that you can keep yourself accountable. And you can check up and have that little reminder throughout the year of what you wanted to accomplish throughout 2021. And who wants to go cut all those magazines? Get on Canva, get on Pinterest, and create you a virtual vision board today, just like I did. If you create a virtual vision board, then make sure you post it to your Instagram or send it to me in the DMs. You can tag me at Erica Rasha. I would love to see it. But yeah, if you have any questions or anything, make sure you comment down below. And don't forget to check out these videos before you go, because you're already on YouTube. You might as well watch another one. Don't miss out. But I'll see you in the next video. I think I'll be talking all about my Instagram strategy this year. Ooh. Bye.